Hey guys, I'm going to be answering the question if you can play friends in Paper.io 2. Now, the short answer is yes, but there is a catch. So, yes, you can play friends in Paper.io 2, but there are a few important details. So, the official Paper.io 2 Voodoo's version, this is mainly a single player game against bots or random online players. The game doesn't have a built-in invite friend or party feature yet. There is a workaround to play with friends though. So if you want your friends to join the game at the same time, so this is typically on the same server or region, there's a chance you'll end up in the same lobby. So some versions of Paper.io 2 on your PC or browser or third-party servers often offer private lobbies or custom rooms where you can share a link with your friends to play together. And also mobile versions, so this is iOS and Android, usually don't allow direct friend invites, but you can still play in the same public lobby if you sync up timing. So in short, there isn't an official friends mode in the default Paper.io 2 app, but with timing or private server links, you and your friends can still play together. If you found this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe.